All right, so it's 2026. Happy New Year to y'all, man. Me and my buddy back there, we about to show y'all the very first sunrise of 2026. Happy New Year. Right now I have the drone in the air and it's doing what is called a hyperlapse shot. That hyperlapse is going to take a series of 750 pictures. It's going to compose that into a video, which is going to be 30 seconds long. Now, in photography, hyperlapses are some of the things you could use in order to show the moon rising, the sun setting, the traffic. You can use it for anything that you can creatively think to use it for. You doing things around the house, you set it at a certain interval. So the intervals I have mine set at is I want it to take pictures every 2 seconds, and I want it to move that way at 6.7 miles an hour. I can take it all the way down to 0.5 miles an hour, but I really wanted to give the accentuation of the camera actually moving, you know what I mean, towards the sunrise. So that's what that shot is, and I hope that you enjoyed it. And maybe if you get you a drone, you could try it too. And I'm wearing all of this in Florida, by the way. It's 47 degrees. Yeah, I know some of you might laugh, but if you lived in Florida, especially South Florida, and you felt this cold, you'd be wearing it too. All right.